What happened to your phone, you said, sir?
Somebody really angry.
Damn.
Somebody fighting with the phone.
Oh my god, it looks like somebody shot it.
Yeah.
Wow.
Something. Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah.
Look at
Crazy,
that.
man.
Damn. Wow. This is crazy. And it stinks so bad.
Yeah, it must have been the battery.
Yes, and wow. Don't worry, I got you. Oh my gosh, look at that. Damn. Do you see this battery? Holy moly. This will catch fire so easily. Look at that. This is bad. Let's see if it's gonna be fixed. Look at this screen. Damn. Now we are going to transfer this to new screen. We're gonna transfer his data. Surgery time. Damn, look at that. It's all broken. You have to replace the back camera as well. This is how motherboard looks. It looks like got hit, damage right here. Look at the side. I hope this one is good so we can transfer everything to new phone. He is so lucky this phone didn't catch fire. Look at that. Unbelievable. Wow. I installed new battery and new charging port and housing on this phone, so we're gonna transfer everything to here now. New rear camera. Your phone is ready, sir. Look at that.
Thank you very much, man.
You're welcome, man.
You've done a great job.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same.